Welcome to a journey through one of Edinburgh's most storied and serene locations. Today, we find ourselves at the Parish Church of St. Cuthbert, a peaceful sanctuary resting at the foot of the great castle rock. As we walk down this tree-lined path, the city's noise begins to fade. It's hard to believe that just a few steps away lies the bustling West End. Here, the sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a perfect moment of stillness. St. Cuthberts is steeped in over 1,000 years of history. The churchyard we are exploring is home to incredible monuments, like the memorial to Reverend David Dixon. Each stone and statue tells a story of the people who shaped the city's past. Take a look at the architecture of the church itself. While the current building dates back to the late 1800s, this site has been a place of worship since the 7th century. The blend of Victorian design and ancient greenery makes it a favorite for photographers and historians alike. One of the most striking features here is a perspective. From this low vantage point, Edinburgh Castle towers above us, framed by the graveyard's quiet beauty. It's a powerful reminder of how history and spirituality coexist in the heart of Scotland's capital. Whether you're looking for a quiet place to reflect or walk through history, St. Cuthberts is a true hidden gem. Thank you for joining me on this walk today. Until next time, keep exploring.